Hotel AKA Back Bay in the heart of Boston. We're in a historic building, used to be the old police station. It's a special building for a lot of people, and when we were going through our renovation plans, we needed to ensure that we had the right partners.
When AKA came in here, right, there was already a beautiful hotel. AKA wanted to make it its own. In order to do that, there are certain products and quality of products that are really important to us because it's all about the guest's experience.
We spend a lot of time and energy choosing items that go in the room that are intuitive, clean, sleek design, have a modern feel to them, and then we found Savant shades. Not only do guests love the clean, elegant lines of the shades, they really love the intuitive controls.
The ease of use is great. I mean, just one button open, one button closed. And as you can see, the sun comes right in here, so how much sun they actually block out is really ideal.
Guest sleep is probably the most important component of a guest experience at a hotel, and the Savant blackout shade is amongst the best. Our team also focuses a lot on the reliability aspect of the shades. When shades go down or other things in the room, they create a ripple effect of frustration not only for the guest but also for our team.
With these shades, it's a simple 1, 2, 3. It's pop in, pop out, and it's usually done within minutes.
It provides for zero downtime. Our team can go in, zero frustration, take out the old ones, pop in the new ones, and they're out the door. And by the way, that doesn't happen very often.
Having this quality product has been absolutely amazing and really enhances our guests' experience.
A good night's sleep is so essential to the perfect stay, and having the ability to offer an automated shade that provides a great blackout solution has been vital to our success. Guests comment all the time that it's the best night's sleep they've ever had, and I can't help but think that Savant has played a small part in that.